THETA. USD medium-term support generally remained at 92 cents in a quite large manner. In every way that really matters. Current exchanging volume of Theta organization sort of is at $7,225,706, or so they most certainly thought. Theta organization basically is buy and buy esteemed at 65 cents. Bears control Theta's ongoing cost activities in a kind of huge manner. The 14th of June 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these regularly sort of clarified something. What generally is essentially transient cost expectation for Theta organization. For the most part is Theta a sort of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on in a truly significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Theta specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us basically discuss the very current economic situations. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours. There truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,058,986,395,016, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The extremely absolute exchanging volume by and large stands at $28,914,442,597, or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78%, showing how Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth, which really is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM generally has seen a value decline of 0.37%, coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time span, which in a real sense is very critical. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, in a real sense is somewhere near 9.41 and is of now exchanging at 51 cents in a truly significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which essentially is very critical. These occasions in a real sense show that the market really is going in a genuinely descending heading for certainly present moment, or so they generally thought. Right now, a general commonly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how the 14th of June 2023. In this video we will walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time sort of sought clarification on pressing issues. What certainly is by and large momentary cost expectation for Theta organization. Really is Theta an excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So the especially complete exchanging volume truly remains at $28,914,442,597 in a sort of significant manner. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers sort of become commonly more really dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how various elective digital currency, as ETHEREUM explicitly has seen a value lessening of 0.37%, coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers truly move truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So the exceptionally complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $28,914,442,597 in a really significant manner. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization in a real sense is at 65 cents, down 2.05% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and for the most part has a value change of 17.1% throughout the week, which all things considered is genuinely critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is $7,225,706.00 while sort of complete market cap came to $645,222,040 showing how XRP, the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is somewhere near 9.41 and presently exchanging at 51 cents, or so they for the most part thought. There generally are very nearly 1 billion really are available for use out of 1 billion. showing how theta organization support and opposition levels and so on in a kind of enormous manner. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Investigation for the 14th of June 2023 inside a very everyday time period made sense of underneath. So Theta Organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So the all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $28,914,442,597 in a huge manner. We utilize sort of relative strength index, moving especially normal combination and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including straightforward moving truly normal and dramatic moving extremely normal to for the most part dissect the future development of the theta organization, showing that we utilize certainly relative strength index, moving most certainly normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including basic moving exceptionally normal and outstanding moving truly normal to by and large investigate the future development of the theta organization, or so they basically thought. The THETA, USD moving especially normal combination and difference pointer in a real sense is demonstrating a certainly momentary sort of sell release signal as the MACD line generally is moving underneath especially signal line which in real sense implies by and large bears in every practical sense, are ruling on the lookout, which in a real sense shows that Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Investigation for the 14th of June 2023 inside a day-to-day time period in a real sense made sense of beneath. So Theta Organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction are significant specialized markers used to for the most part distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So the truly complete exchanging volume generally remains at $28,914,442,597 in an exceptionally huge manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and for the most part is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring gigantic negative strength in an especially huge manner fundamentally. The Theta organization for the most part has basically break all its basically upholds levels, and things truly are not looking generally excellent for the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, generally bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively especially take theta cost underneath the critical help level of 96 cents, which explicitly shows that theta organization is by and by esteemed at 65 cents. Bears control theta's ongoing cost activities in a very significant manner, while theta's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 53.763 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange fundamentally signal basically is especially conceivable at this reach. Pretty further appearance how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the theta specialized examination. Let us explicitly discuss the truly current economic situations in a kind of significant manner. Ends the worth of theta basically is constantly unloading, however it certainly is normal that help levels at 96 cents and 92